Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to set up Amazon Prime for the first time in 2026. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Play Store on your device, and then in the search bar you can simply search for Amazon Prime. Tap on Install right next to Amazon Prime to first download it to your device. If you've already downloaded Amazon Prime, you can skip this step and head over straight to the app drawer and then search for Amazon Prime in the app drawer, and then search for Prime in the app drawer. Open up Prime Video, to which you can either create an account or you can already sign in. By default, you'll be set to sign in. If you do not have an account, simply tap on Create an Account. Here you'll have to enter your first name and your last name, your mobile number or your email, along with creating a password, and then hit Continue and follow the on-screen instructions to create your Amazon account. If you're already a customer, then simply hit Sign in already a customer. Here you'll have to enter your email address or your mobile number, hit Continue, and then enter your password to sign into Amazon and start enjoying. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.